4-ounce whistle rocket. This one's got like a 200-gram header. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. Oh shit! This motherfucker didn't even go up, man. All right, we got a 4-ounce whistle rocket. Header should be about 200 grams. Let's see how she lifts it. Let's get it. I gotta switch the torch now. All right, we got a 1-pound rocket. Got a little report on top. This is water granulated Sally. It's on extreme tooling from Woody's. Let's see if it goes up. All right, let's get it. It's the Hellfire. Yep, it's the Hellfire. That shit would have flown perfect if I did not put Hellfire in there.